Okay, Tesla is starting rolling out update known as 2025.14.2 with a new feature called child left alone detection. This feature works when if an unattended child is detected, the vehicle will flash the exterior indicator light, play an alert tone and send a notification to your Tesla app. This will repeat at regular interval until you return to your vehicle. Cabin data is processed locally and is not transmitted to Tesla. This feature is enabled by default to disable go to control, then safety, then child left alone detection.